Yeah, I'm back. Unfortunately, my dog has been very noisy. She's with the bedsheet. But anyway, yeah, this is only a little short video because. But yeah, this is a short video because I just want some of your opinions. What I should do for videos, like, so I want to start doing challenges as well. Live videos, anything with voice videos, I don't really mind. Just comment in the box below what you would like me to do and I'll be on it. Because yeah, my life is that boring. I am committing my life to YouTube. Thank you and good night.